Introduction. An air fryer is a cooking device that uses a heating element. Air fryers are also called multifunctional because there is an increasing demand for multi-purpose kitchen appliances. The technology advancement improved the user experience by increasing cookies accessibility and customization. This equipment is primarily utilized to make crispy food. There are several benefits to using an air fryer, such as consumers can customize the time and temperature for personalized cooking.
Air fryer resembles a convection oven with high intensity by cooking food using a mix of convection and radiation. For the thermal radiation, it defined as the transfer of energy due to the emission of electromagnetic wave or photon as a result of the changes in the electronic configuration of atoms or molecules. It differs from other forms of electromagnetic radiations. The formula that can be used for calculating the radiation include Kirchhoff's law and Stefan-Boltzmann law. For the Stefan-Boltzmann law, where P is radiated power or radiated energy emitted, meanwhile E is equal to emissivity, standard deviation is equal to surface area, and T is equal to absolute temperature. Meanwhile, for the Kirchhoff law, it has heat absolute equal to alpha heat incident. For convection, it is defined as a heat transfer mechanism in which temperature variation cause a fluid to move, such as water or air. It shortens cooking times and speed up the heat transmission. In air fryer, forced convection specifically use a fan or blower to move the hot air around inside the cooking chamber. Below are the equations derived from the rules of fluid mechanics, which are the conservation of energy and Newton's law of cooling. For the first law of thermodynamics formula, it states that change in internal energy equal to heat added minus work done by the system. The Newton's law of cooling formula states that the rate of heat transfer out of the body equal to heat transfer coefficient multiply the heat transfer of surface area in bracket time independent temperature minus temperature of the environment.
The figure shows the schematic diagram of air fryer. Next, the mechanism of air fryer. The first mechanism is heating element. The heat radiated by the heating element is directed toward the food item. And then the fans. The fans circulate the hot air rapidly within the cooking chamber. As the air moves, it heats up and distributes evenly around the food. The chamber allows the hot air to flow through and cook the food from all sides. Then, the next mechanism of air fryer is exhaust system. The exhaust system causes a portion of the air present inside the chamber to escape and leave the cooking chamber in the form of steam. Then the timer is enable user to set the cooking duration and turn off automatically once the set time is reached.
Hi, my name is Nurjana binti Masali. I will present about the application of air fryer at home. Okay, the first application is frying and crisping. It's a well-liked option for people who want to eat tasty, crispy food without worrying about the harmful effect of consuming too much oil. Okay, the convection effect produced by the hot air in the air fryer make the food has a crispy outside but evenly cooked inside. Next is baking. Compared to conventional ovens, air fryers are often smaller, which makes them ideal for smaller kitchens for people who don't need a large oven for culinary purpose. Baking in an air fryer with fast airflow can yield moist cakes of superior quality at lower baking temperatures and shorter baking times. The next application is reheating. The air fryer helps preserve or bring back the crunchiness of the foods like fries, chicken wings, or fried snakes, unlike microwave reheating, which occasionally result in sogginess. Air fryer frequently don't need a long preheating period, in contrast to conventional oven, so this can save more time. Next, there is less odor transfer between various food kinds when reheating in an air fryer. This is useful when reheating different foods quickly, one after the other, to prevent to prevent flavor contamination. The fourth point of application is dehydrating. Food is preserved and enhanced in flavor by the process of dehydration, takes out of which take out the moisture. Food become more lighter and smaller when their moisture content is reduced. Because dehydrated meals weigh far less and don't need to be refrigerated, they are perfect for camping, trekking, and backpacking. The example of fruits is apples and also apricots. Next is grilling. People enjoy the unique grill flavor that is produced by the direct heat, smoke, and natural juices flowing onto the hot grates. Because it preserves more of the food inherent nutrient, grilling is typically seen as a healthy full cooking technique. Grilling is been Grilling has been linked to a lower risk of several chronic illness, such as heart disease, some type of cancer, and type 2 diabetes, according to
As a
research.
conclusion, it is a game
Okay, the
changer
last
for
point
every
of
household that use air
application of air fryer at home is roasting. Food deep, rich flavor are enhanced by roasting. Reduced nutritional loss occurs during cooking since the food are cooked in their natural fluids. The ingredients, natural sugar, are caramelized by the oven's dry heat, giving them a wonderful savory flavor. Food's nutritional value is preserved when it is cooked gently, such as by roasting.